Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration WO150XA. Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI 140 horsepower Highline Kombi van. It has done 105,000 miles with one previous owner. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors, tow bar, tailgate, quick-release rear seats. This factory-fitted Kombi is a fantastic choice of vehicle when considering a works van or simply a vehicle with enough space and seating for leisure activities. 140 brake horsepower makes this van fantastic for towing and transporting heavy loads. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.